Hello, my unboxing friends. My name is Christine, and welcome to my place. So today I have an unboxing of pettreater. Now, this one came a little early. It has not been a full month, and I'll tell you why. I upgraded. So I went from the standard pet box to a toys only. So let me tell you a little bit how it works. Prices are for your cat or for your dog, and it's either $15 for the regular box, you get 3 to 4 items, or you can get the treats only box or the toys only box for $18, and you get 2 to 3 items in that box. It's delivered right to your door. Brain freeze there for a second. Delivered right to your door. It's so much love in every box for cheaper than buying toys and treats yourself. They do ship free, and all the treats are USA made, so that's great. So in order to cancel or change your subscription, you do have to contact customer support, and what they did is they basically canceled my regular box and then said, go ahead and sign up for the next box you want. That's kind of a way of getting you more than once in a month. So they cancel it, they figure out my upgrade was brand new, and so they sent it out right away instead of my monthly increment. That's okay. Let's open it. I have my handy dandy scissors. Here's the look inside. I see a repeat. So I did get this in my first box. Oh, by the way, you can say that you have small, medium, or large dogs or cats. Well, I don't know. How would that work for cats? Anyway. So I do have a couple of dogs interested in this, and they should. They've gotten it already. So let's give that, there you go. Next, I am pulling out a stingray. This is not going to last very long. There's no squeak toy in it. It's Kelly Pet. Okay, and what else? We have a rope toy. Now this will be good for the bigger dogs for sure. Pet Champion. Are these all Pet Champion? No, this one's a Kelly toy. Then we have a code. Get 20% off with code pettreater. I can't see. Okay. And oh, that's cuddleclones.com. I'm sorry. So for cuddleclones.com, you can get custom socks, a blanket, a head cover, or pajamas, or a stuffed animal. See how they're doing it? You send in a picture of your dog, and they make some fun things for you. And use that code to get 20% off. I have a $25 CBD pet voucher. Who's the pick of the litter? You can send in pictures of your pets and become pick of the litter. And this month is Storm and Nebula. There we go. Very nice. And this is also a repeat. You get one of these in every box. But now I have 2 of the water. This matches my outfit today. How do I look? Woof, woof. So that's what I got in Pet Treater. I did get some nice toys for my big dogs. Got the rope toy, the stingray, and the crab, which has left the room. I do thank you for watching. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.